You wait and you listen more than you talk, ladies. It's huge. If you really want to get the guy to talk, you got to understand that he's not going to offer things if you interrupt him. Give him time, give him space. You know, you can certainly ask questions, but track where he's going, not where you think you should go. Once you feel like you have it understood where he's coming from and validated that it makes sense looking at it from that point of view, then you come back along and you go, you know, I as a woman, I have a different viewpoint on that. And you say it kindly and you don't tell him what it is. Because what you really want him to do is you want him to go, well, what are you thinking? We want to be to the point where we're not shaming him, but instead we're inviting him into the process of a dialogue with us. It's very, very important to learn how to do that.